Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to understand what the CoE Starter Kit is and why it's important for anyone working with Microsoft Power Platform. If your company is building apps using Power Apps or automations using Power Automate, things can quickly get messy. Too many apps, no tracking, and no control. That's exactly where the CoE Starter Kit comes in. Now first discuss what is Power Platform Center of Excellence. A Power Platform Center of Excellence is a structured approach used by organizations to manage, govern, and scale their use of Microsoft Power Platform. It combines people, processes, and tools to ensure that innovation happens in a controlled and efficient way. Below are key concepts of CoE. First, a Center of Excellence is a dedicated function within an organization. Second, it drives innovation and continuous improvement. Third, it brings together like-minded people with shared business goals. And finally, it establishes standards, consistency, and governance across the organization. Now let's discuss what exactly CoE is in technical manner. The CoE Starter Kit is a collection of templates, apps, dashboards, and automation flows that act as a reference implementation for running a Power Platform Center of Excellence. It's not a finished product. You customize it based on your organization. It helps admins and makers monitor apps, flows, and usage, enforce governance policies, track adoption and analytics, support citizen developers. Now let's discuss about core functional areas of the CoE Starter Kit. Let's discuss one by one. Administration helps track and analyze Power Platform usage and adoption. Governance ensures security, compliance, and proper control. Nurture supports users and encourages adoption through community engagement. Theming maintains a consistent design and branding across apps. Innovation Backlog collects and prioritizes new ideas from users. What's inside the CoE Starter Kit? Typical components include dashboards to track usage, admin apps to manage environments and users, automation flows to automate governance, templates, best practices for governance. Finally, let's discuss benefits of implementing CoE: improved productivity, increased technical awareness, process optimization, development of best practices, templatization, user empowerment, efficient task delegation. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next demo.